How's it going?
Coming up on the lighthouse. I'm not sure who needs to move. Who has the right of way near the lighthouse?
Remember, we want to get the deposit back, right? Keeping course?
I'm on course.
All right, good.
Yep. I'm following your directions and doing a good job. I expect to have my first mate license signed by you.
Mm-hmm. We'll see.
Captain of the Silver Lining.
The silver lining. Blue sky ahead.
What can be better?
We're gonna go into Gibson Island.
How's my little Pocahontas up there?
I'm all right. Aren't you glad I woke you up and said, you know what, Dad, let's go?
Why was that?
No, you weren't. You didn't seem up.
I was ready to leave at 4.
Come on, mate.
Giving her all she got, Captain.
You better.